you talked about the money, because we're gonna get into the money, later on down the road. But you talked about the money. How much is the gap, right, between like MENA 2022 or back to like what was that 2014, 8 years
Back in the
ago,
day.
right? What's the gap? What's the gap in that? Because you said yourself, you was like 3 years, and then people hear that, like, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
But right, you say,
Mhm.
okay, 3 years now from
But not knowing the
2014,
sauce, not knowing
yeah,
what they
from
wanted.
so from 2014 to 2022, like how big is the gap? Not so much a number value, but just how big is the gap?
Oh, I was getting paid right away. I'm not even gonna play. Like,
Okay.
so I feel bad for the people that say, "Oh, I started off at 40, $50,000." I didn't have to struggle, so that was a
Okay.
blessing, and it was immediate. Like I said, I was working two security jobs in federal security, so it's different from just your security at the mall or something like that. You like training with federal officers, police, and you really going to the range, and it's serious. It's not the same. So
Right.
they was paying well. I was getting like $30 an hour to
Okay.
on a low range 25 to 30, and that was good. And I worked two jobs, doing the same type of work. And so that's what it took for me to actually get six figures, though. You know what I mean? My first IT job, I was able to quit both of them. So,
Right.
and the stress and my feet and my back and everything, man, was feeling amazing. I had my weekends back. I haven't had my weekends. Tech is the reason why I'm able to be off on the weekends. So
Right.
I hadn't been off on the weekends. Our restaurants, carpet cleaning, leasing
Hmm.
offices, I know what it feel like. So to be sitting here, I just got off work and I'm coming on the Zoom with you. So it changed. It changed some things, but that shit was worth it, to be honest.